everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I need you to picture something for a second. Imagine a motorhome that looks like it was built by a budget brand, but feels like it rolled straight out of a premium European factory. Something that doesn't just promise adventure, but makes you stop mid-scroll and say, "Hold on, Dacia made this?" Yeah, that's exactly what the brand new 2026 Dacia camper does. And trust me, no one expected it to look this good, drive this smooth, or offer this much value in a world where motorhome prices keep climbing. So stick around, because the deeper you get into this thing, the crazier it becomes. At first glance, the design alone throws you off, in the best way possible. You've got this clean, sharp white exterior wrapped with bold navy and gray graphics that scream modern, European styling. The shape instantly tells you this isn't just a van with a bed tossed inside. This is a full, coach-built motorhome with a sleek fiberglass shell, aerodynamic roof, tinted flush windows, and a strong, confident stance that looks like it belongs on the Pacific Coast Highway. You don't even have to be a designer to appreciate it. Something about it just looks right. And then you swing around the front and notice the new Dacia grille. It's modern, it's sharp, and honestly, it gives the camper way more personality than you'd expect from a value-focused brand. Add the full LED lighting, the panoramic roof skylight, and those stylish alloy wheels, and suddenly this thing feels like the perfect bridge between affordability and class. It's one of those vehicles that looks more expensive than it is. And that's exactly why people are getting curious about it. But the real magic hits you the moment you slide that side door open. Instead of dark cabinets and cramped layouts like most budget RVs, this thing greets you with this warm, Scandinavian-inspired space. Light wood, cream-colored cabinets, soft navy upholstery, huge windows pouring in sunlight. It doesn't feel like stepping into a camper. It feels like stepping into a small, modern apartment you'd find in Portland or Asheville, and the layout is just spot on for real life. You get a cozy living area with proper seating for the family, a dining table that's big enough for meals or laptop work, and honestly, the space just feels airy. It's one of those interiors that calms you down the second you enter. You instantly start imagining road trips, coffee mornings, rainy day movie sessions, all of it. The kitchen is surprisingly practical for its size. You've got a smooth L-shaped counter, a stainless steel sink, a fridge big enough for week-long trips, and a burner setup that's perfect for quick meals. Everything is laid out cleanly. Everything feels intentional. And there's storage everywhere. Overhead, under the counters, even little spots they've carved out where you wouldn't expect them. But here's the part that catches everyone off guard. The bedroom. Because yes, this thing has a full rear island bed. Not a fold-out, not a weird sideways bed. A real, comfortable island bed. That alone puts it in a whole different league compared to competitors in the same price range. You get windows on both sides, warm reading lights, and overhead cabinets that feel as solid as a hotel room. And if you've got guests, kids, or grandkids, the front alcove bed above the cab is huge. The dinette turns into another bed too. So whether you're a couple wanting comfort or a family needing flexibility, the Dacia checks that box with zero fuss. Then there's the bathroom. And this one surprises people. It's bright, roomy for its class, and it has that European clean, glossy finish that just makes everything look a little more premium. You get a proper shower setup, a smartly designed sink, and enough storage to keep everything organized even on long trips. Now here's where Americans really start paying attention. The drive. Because this 2026 Dacia camper is based on the Renault Dacia Master platform, which is known in Europe for being smooth, efficient, and incredibly stable for long distances. You're not getting a sluggish, underpowered brick on wheels here. You're getting a motorhome that feels surprisingly car-like. It's quiet, it's comfortable, it handles well, and it's easy to maneuver even for new RV owners. Performance-wise, you can expect strong mileage, modern safety tech, and an engine built to last. Something that matters more than ever as we enter 2026 with fuel costs rising and long-distance road trips becoming more popular. And speaking of 2026, this camper hits at the perfect moment. RV prices in the US have exploded over the past few years. Families are looking for better value. Couples want something modern without paying luxury-level money. And first-time buyers want something that doesn't feel outdated the moment they drive it off the lot. That's exactly where the Dacia steps in. It gives you the design of a premium European motorhome, the comfort of a modern micro-apartment, the sleeping space of a family RV, and the driving feel of something way more refined than a typical entry-level camper. Oh, and perhaps the wildest part? The pricing. While US market conversions can range anywhere from $120,000 to $200,000, this European-built Dacia is expected to land well below that bracket. It's built to be affordable without feeling cheap, something most brands haven't figured out how to do. You get LED lighting throughout, a panoramic skylight, privacy-tinted windows, a comfortable rear bedroom, efficient heating, a modern infotainment screen, a stylish European design that feels fresh for 2026. Everything about it screams smart choice, rather than budget compromise. And that's why the RV world is buzzing right now. This camper proves something important. You don't need to spend luxury money to get a motorhome that feels luxurious. You don't need a Class A to sleep comfortably. And you don't need a huge rig to feel at home on the road. The 2026 Dacia camper shows what the next era of adventure vehicles is going to look like. Clean design, lightweight engineering, smart layouts, practical features, and pricing that makes sense again. It's modern RVing without the unnecessary fluff. So if you're someone who's been dreaming about road trips, downsizing your lifestyle, taking your family on new adventures, or just exploring the country with comfort and simplicity, this might be the one worth keeping an eye on. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives on the newest campers and motorhomes, and tell me in the comments, would you take the 2026 Dacia camper on a cross-country trip? I know I would. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.